I bet you didn't know that a few small changes can make a huge difference in losing belly fat. Let's dive into the secrets. First up, trade those sugary drinks for water. Hydration is key, and it keeps those sneaky calories at bay. Next, get moving. Aim for at least 30 minutes of cardio daily. Whether it's running, biking, or dancing like nobody's watching, keep that heart pumping. And here's a game changer. Prioritize protein. A high-protein diet helps build muscle and boosts your metabolism. Eggs, chicken, or beans, take your pick. Don't forget the power of sleep. A good night's rest keeps stress hormones in check and supports weight loss. Aim for 7-8 hours every night. Finally, stay consistent and be patient. Results won't happen overnight, but with these tips, you're on your way to a trimmer waistline. Remember, it's all about making smart, sustainable changes.